In this video, I'm going to show you how to get portable mixed fuel in Once Human the easiest and fastest way possible. So what you want to do, I just teleported to this teleport tower over here. If I press map, this one in the Iron River region, which is level 28, over here to the right side of the map, you want to teleport over here, and then you want to walk up here to this main road, and you look for these cars that are placed over here. Now this is an area where you can find a lot of these, and as you can see, some of them you'll be able to open their trunks. You can walk up to them, press F to open the trunk, and in there you'll get some random items as well as portable mixed fuel. Press F to collect that and pretty much just run across the road, run up and down, and you'll be able to find a bunch of these cars. Now what we also have to note is that you will not get this mixed fuel, and you won't be able to open up these trunks of every single car in the map. However, if you are running around from car to car on the map, which are pretty much located mostly at the main roads, okay, so at the main roads of the map, we're talking about these, I'm at right now, and then this one over here and these. So pretty much just navigate yourself through the main roads, look for these cars, and you'll get a bunch of mixed portable fuel in no time. Now another way to get it easily, you can actually get 50 portable mixed fuel instantly, is if you go and you teleport yourself to your home base, which I currently can because my teleportation, as you can see, is disabled right now. I've just been there. If you want to get it, what you want to do is simply click B on your keyboard to open build mode, and then you want to look for facilities and function facility. You then want to place this mail thing here, okay? You want to place it down, and in there will be a bunch of mail. However, that mail will also include some nifty rewards, okay? And those rewards can be claimed for free. Just simply open up all the mails, and in some of them you'll be able to get 50 or even more mixed portable fuel. And yes, you simply want to claim that and you'll instantly get it. So that's the best and easiest way to get portable mixed fuel in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.